Hey guys, it's Jen from Contractor Accelerator. I have some exciting news for you to share tonight. We are launching a new feature in the software, and it's something you guys have been asking for some time now. We are launching the notification system, in-app notification system. So you're going to click in the upper right-hand corner. If you're on a tablet or mobile device, you're going to click that hamburger menu, those three lines in the upper right, and then you'll see this little bell that I have here on my desktop. If you click that bell, it's going to open up this little sidebar for you. You're going to be able to see any of the things that we're typically sending you emails about now. They're also going to be available inside the application, so you'll get those notifications right here. Things like your bid has been accepted, a new project has been assigned to you, a task, a lead has been assigned to you. There's all sorts of different things that are getting pushed into this notification system. So what you're going to see here is that you also have some details, which is really nice. So for example, bid accepted, you can see it's Catherine Smith. I remember chatting with her, whatever that might jog your memory. You can see the type of project that it is and the amount. You can also see the bid number here for reference. Same thing here, we've got a temporary fence for Kara that went through for $21,000. We have a new project for some turf that we're gonna go look at. For your task assigned, you actually get to see if this is a super high priority, low priority, or medium priority task. For this one, it's to call in utilities. You can see the due date for that task as well. Lead assigned, you can see it's a hot lead. We really want to call John Smith about his cracked foundation. For any of these, if you click into them, it's going to take you into that lead, that task, that project. So we'll actually direct you right into those items. So let's test one out here. We'll go to an old one. Backyard fence here. This project was assigned to me. It takes me right in. You can actually click that little bell from anywhere in the software. You don't have to be on the home page. And maybe I want that one back. I need to come back and do something with it later, and I don't want to create a task to remind myself. I can just go into the archive, and I can find that same task wherever it went, and I can click into it again from the archive section, or I can click the little three dots and say, hey, let's bring that one back as unread. And it'll actually put it right back into your notifications. If you don't want to get notifications in both places, so you're getting those emails now we've turned on the in-app notifications, maybe you want to turn some of those off. Jump into your user profile, or admins, you can jump into the company profile and set this up for yourself and other users. But for yourself, you can click on the user profile, and it's right here on this main profile page. You're just going to click that edit button and scroll down. And you'll see here that you've got task assigned, lead assigned, project assigned, and appointment assigned. You also have bid viewed, bid accepted, and bid rejected. Now, as a reminder, you're not going to get notifications for things that you assign to yourself. So if you create a task for yourself, we're not going to notify you of that, because you should be aware, right? So you can turn off the emails and just keep the in-apps, or you can turn off the in-apps and just keep the emails. You can turn off both, you can turn on both, however you want to set this up that is going to work best for you. Make sure you hit that save button. And if you guys have any questions about the new notification system, don't hesitate to reach out. We're excited to share it with you. Bye-bye. Oh God, did I not record any of that? Oh no, I did. Whew, I really thought I did not record any of that. So